When private companies provide services to the government, it's usually for the better. Innovations can make services less costly than they previously were and save the government money. For example, if the government is providing education through public schools, but new private schools can provide the same or higher quality education at a lower cost per student than public schools, then the government could switch to a voucher system and pay for students to go to private schools, which would save taxpayers money. Private companies don't need to replace the government, but they can help it do what it needs to do in a better way. As John Stossel mentions, SpaceX launched a rocket transporting astronauts to the space station last summer. They were able to do this efficiently because of innovations that happen in the private sector. At the same time, the mission was paid for by NASA and therefore the taxpayer. If it weren't for NASA, there might not be a space station for the astronauts to even launch to. Both the entrepreneur Elon Musk and the American taxpayer deserve credit for the launch. The government does need to embrace the private sector's ability to efficiently manage large operations to deliver a desired result. One advantage of using private companies to achieve government goals is competition. Different companies compete to offer the best service for the best price. Those that are effective can be used over and over, while those that are not effective will be replaced. This allows companies to test out different methods of organization without their internal policies being decided by politicians. Another advantage is that it encourages innovation by letting people with good ideas take the initiative and come to the government offering a better service, instead of just using the best ideas that a small number of people in government can think of. For those reasons, private companies should be taken advantage of more by the government in order to provide quality services at a low cost.